Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to Excel Academy. This is Bismil. Our discussion is going on the topic of permutation. Students, so far we have been studying the permutation of things which can be represented by the points on a straight line. We shall now study the permutation of things which can be represented by the points on a circle. The permutation of things which can be represented by the points on a circle is called circular permutation. Students, the formula to find out the circular permutation is n minus 1 factorial, in which n is different objects, and minus 1 mean if you want to permute n different objects in a circle, then we have to fix one object in a circle and then the remaining objects will permute on the circle. So that's why n minus 1 factorial is the formula of circular permutation for n different objects. So this is the one formula. And students, you know that there are different types of permutation. I think 3 types of permutation are there in your books. Circular permutation. So the second one is, students, if you want to permute the objects such like necklace, ring, loops, so at that time the formula will be 1/2 n minus 1 factorial. Students, 1/2 n minus 1 factorial mean n minus 1 factorial is the first circular permutation of n different objects, and 2 mean half of n minus 1 factorial mean half of circular permutation of n different objects. You are thinking about the 2. Why is 2 here? Because you know that when you want to rotate the necklace in clockwise or anti-clockwise, at that time half of the part will be same and half will be different. Therefore n minus 1 factorial divided by 2 because you know that it is the case of flip. So therefore in flipping case the formula will be 1/2 divided by n minus 1 factorial. This is the second formula. And third one, students, sometimes you will see that some people want to permute the different objects in a circle, but in that case if you want to keep the two objects on same seat or same place, so at that time the formula will be 2n factorial, students. 2n minus 1 factorial, because n minus 1 factorial is for the circular permutation, and 2 means, for example, there are 2 objects a, b and a, b, c, d, 4 objects are there, but if you want to permute like a, b and b, c are on the same seat or on the same place, therefore at that time you know that a, b or b, a. So that's why we use the formula 2 times n minus 1 factorial, because these two shows the 2 times, because a, b and b, a are the same one object, assume one object, therefore 2 times n minus 1 factorial. That is the third formula of permutation. But in the case of clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation, or we can say that clockwise ordering or anti-clockwise ordering, if clockwise order and anti-clockwise order are different, clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, then in that case the formula will be npr divided by r factorial. Keep in mind, students, clockwise and anti-clockwise order are different, so the formula will be npr divided by r factorial. If clockwise and anti-clockwise not different, then in that case formula is 2r factorial. It is to be noted then that clockwise and anti-clockwise order are not different mean it is not necessary that it will be same. I am saying that it is not different. Not different mean it is not necessary that the order will be same. So at that time the formula we can use npr divided by 2r factorial. So keep in mind students, again n minus 1 factorial for n different objects, 1 over 2 n minus 1 factorial for all those objects. In those objects some half part is same and half part is different. And 2n minus 1 factorial mean if you want to permute the objects in a circle and two objects placed at the same place, so at that time we use the formula 2 times n minus 1 factorial. And the next one is clockwise and anti-clockwise are different, so npr divided by r factorial. And the clockwise order and anti-clockwise are not different, so we can use the formula npr divided by 2r factorial. So students, keep watching my video. I'll see you in next lecture. Thank you very much. Bye bye.